Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a mountain bike mudguard out of just simply a fizzy drinks bottle. What you're going to need is a pair of scissors, Sharpie, hole puncher, a bottle and a template. Now it's optional, but you can use a knife, but I will use it today to show you how to make a clean cut with the knife. So what we're going to do is we're going to get straight into this. We're going to move this stuff out of the way, and then we're going to get the there should be a line just here. We want to poke in the end just there, and then we've got a nice little hole that we can put the scissors in. Now that we've got the hole, we're going to put one end of the scissors in, and then we're going to cut round. Now that that's out, we're going to do this end. Right, now that both of the ends are done, we are now going to put a line down here. There should be, hopefully see there's a centre line that goes all the way down there where the bottle was joined. Now that we've cut it in half, as you can see, it's quite temperamental and it wants to keep going back into this position. What we have here is the template now. If you haven't already got a template, then go onto the internet, just type in mountain bike mudguard template, and it should come up with something like this. And if not, then there should be some links in the description down below. But literally just a bit of paper, printed it off. That says 23 centimeters, that says 19. I'm not sure if this is actually to scale. I've just printed it off, but it's on. I've done another one, so I'll show you that one in a minute. So now that it's we've cleared everything, we're ready to start drawing on the design. What you're going to do is, if I let go, it's just going to spring back to that position. So all we're going to want to do is roll it the other way, like this. It would make some clicking noises, so if that, don't worry, you're not going to break it. Just now we've got it into this whole position, we just want to twist it so it's not as springy. It will still spring, but not as much. What we've done now, we've just flattened it out. We want to get our template and place it on. Now, if yours doesn't already have a bit where the paper was stuck around where the logo was, you can use tape, but with me, I'm just going to use that as the sticky marker. We've now got it laid out on the sheet of plastic, and we've now got a template. Now what you want to do is just draw around the outside of the template. So now that I've done that, it is now complete. Now I don't know if you can see, but there's a rough outline of the mudguard. Now this will be one of the trickiest parts, trying to cut it out. Now if you've drawn a bit of a strange line like I have, you can just straighten it out with the scissors once you've done it. I'm going to now start cutting it out, and if you have used a marker pen, then it might start rubbing out as you cut it, but if you use a Sharpie, as you can see, it should just stay on as you cut around it. Now that I've cut this out, you see the template here. I've used this one before, so there is a few holes. There's the printed out holes and the holes where I've punched. Now if this is your first time, I wouldn't recommend putting this on, because I've tried it before. As you can see, if you keep doing it, then you're just going to end up clipping bits off, so it's not, your template is going to be a bit useless. So I keep using this template, but it's a nice template to use because it's simple, it's plain, which is all you need really. You're going to want to hole punch two corners there, 2 here and here, 2 here and here, and 2 in here, just like the here. I've now hole punched here and here. There, you can't really tell on the camera, but I have hole punched them to where it says on the template. So basically, you have your mudguard done, and you can now put it on your bike. I'll put a different video on how to put the mudguard on, because we're sort of running out of time here, but it's the simple bits and bobs, and then I can sort of tell you how to add your own stuff onto it. Now here, this is the one that I did before, which is exactly the same stuff. I've just done it up a bit, so I've got DC here, freestyle and still. Now these are just some stickers I had, and the red stuff is just some fire retardant tape just wrapped around, and then I've put a pencil through the holes. But this was the first one I've done, so from a distance looks nice. If you get close up, there is bits that you can tell have been hand done, but you can leave it see-through if you want. You can spray paint it, but I've just put tape around it so it looks a bit more out there, not plain. Here, this is the one I've done just now, and literally all I've done is I've just added some tape. You can even just use a marker pen just to mark out stuff. These are the tapes that you can use, any duct tape. I've used fire retardant because it's waterproof and it sticks really well. So there you have it, how to make your own mountain bike mudguard. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.